It's Chris HANSEN, the steady blasphemies of the Holy Spirit coming from Honolulu Airport direction, and it's through ultra low frequencies, and there's just been a constant pulse in the back of my head, and then pulsing that sentence through my brain, and talk of soul and pie. As I just sit here and lay here getting ready to go to class, this thing's obviously trying to sabotage my classes again. This tracking computer. It just got done saying just now, we don't want you to learn. Quote unquote. That's what it just said across the sky. The extremely low frequencies, ultra low frequencies, coming from over by the Honolulu airport in the distance. It's always outside in, coming in. So it's definitely focused sound. It's definitely intentional terrorism and intentional attacks coming from the Honolulu airport direction. Right now the time is 4:47, and I gotta leave out of here by 6 o'clock. It's September the 16th, 9/16/2019.